RWT is going to happen really soon.
In the afternoon. The marine forecast through the central strait of Juan Today, winds 10 to 20 knots. Wind waves 1 to 3 feet. Tonight, southeast wind 5 to 15 knots becoming to 10 knots after midnight. Wind waves 2 feet or less. Thursday, east wind to 10 knots. Wind waves 1 foot or less. The marine forecast through the eastern strait of Juan Small craft advisory from 7 a.m. this morning through this evening. Today, southeast wind. Tonight,
Sorry, the video got a little weird there.
becoming south 5 to 15 knots after midnight.
Oh, there we go. Okay. Yes! Yes! Yes!
This is a test of the emergency alert system and NOAA weather radio swarm farm. During potentially hazardous weather situations, the National Weather Service transmits a signal that automatically activates specially built receivers to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday near 12 noon. When there's a threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test is postponed until the next day without severe weather threat. The following tones will conclude this test. The marine forecast for the western.
Here we go.
Wind 5 to 15.
Card weekly test. Here we go. See you in the next video of doing that. Didn't know that would be LiveVoice. Bye. Advisory light. Card weekly test. They're right spot on it too. That's perfect. Keep them in my pocket. That was pretty cool.